In this video, we're going to look at multiplying by powers of 10. Multiply the numbers by the given powers of 10 by moving the decimal point the appropriate number of places. Okay. So let's just look at the calculator to look at some patterns real quick. So here we have 4.23, or 4 23/100 times 10. So if I multiply it by 10, notice I have 42.3. That moved the decimal one place to the right. What if I multiplied 44.23 times 100? Well, that would be 423, which is moving this decimal point 2 places to the right. Let's just do one more. 4.23 times 1,000. Well, now that moves the decimal point 3 places to the right. So in general, when we multiply by a power of 10, we're going to look at the number of zeros in the power of 10, count the number of zeros in the power of 10. Okay, so where a power of 10 is 10, 100, 1,000, a million, 10,000, all of those place values we learned, and move the decimal this many digits to the right. Okay. So all of these problems are incredibly easy. You don't need a calculator for them. And the reason is based on the patterns we just saw and because we have a base 10 number system. So multiplying by a power of 10 is basically just changing the place value of all the numbers. So here we move one digit to the right because this is 1 0. So we have 42.3. Here we have 3 zeros. So we're going to move this decimal 1, 2, 3. So it's 0037. There's the decimal. And we just write that as 37 because we don't write when there's zeros in larger place values if it's not a placeholder. Okay, 29.5 times 100. Well, this has 2 zeros. So we're going to move this place value. Let's make a little room. 2 digits to the right. So 1, 2. Here's where it goes. And notice we need to add a 0 for this place value. This one matters. This is a placeholder where these weren't. So we have 2,950. Here, 3 digits to the right. Well, 1, 2, 3. It's going to go right between the 1 and the 5. So 3141.5. Okay. Notice we don't keep the original decimal. We're moving the decimal. We're replacing it. 5.24 times 10. Well, this has 1 0. So I move it one place. And this is 52.4. And finally, 100 is 2 zeros. So I'm going to move it 2 places. So it'd be between the 7 and the 6. We could disregard these zeros because it's 7 is the first number in the ones place, and we have 7.6.